What's good, Ologod? In this video, let me introduce you myself. My name is Francis Kyle Maglasang Shoes E, but you can call me Kylie for short. And I am 17 years old, and I lived in Cocones, Carmen, Cebu. So guys, let me share with you what are my hobbies and interests in life.
So, these are my hobbies. I love playing basketball, billiards, cooking, and I also love singing. My favorite color is black and white. My family is consist of 4 members. My father, my mother, me, and my little brother. I am currently studying right now in Carmen National High School as a grade 12 UM student. So, let me share with you guys what are my favorite foods. These are my favorite foods: chop suey, pork adobo, chicken adobo, and the last one is my ultimate favorite, is spaghetti. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for listening and watching. Bye bye.